Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel and happy Tuesday. We've got another weekly stamping collab and the theme for this one is winter. These are the beautiful manicures that we've prepared, and as always, you can find links to everybody's video in the description box of mine. Let's get started. I began by applying a thin coat of this Glam gel polish called Home Alone. It's one of the shades from their December collection. This one is a super cat eye effect. This mini polish is from their 2021 limited edition advent calendar. It's called Tinsel and it's a beautiful sparkly silver glitter. While I'm getting ready to apply the second coat of the blue polish with you, I wanted to remind you that Madam Glam has a special sales event this Thursday and Friday, January 20th and 21st. They've prepared a special referral link for all my followers. You can click through the link to go shopping and use my discount code to get 50% off your order. The discount code will be in the description box as well as on the screen. Jenny50 JAN. You must have a minimum of 3 items in your cart in order for the code to work. And be sure to click through the link so they'll know that I referred you. After applying the second coat and doing a little bit of cleanup, now we're going to use the magnet before we cure in the lamp. We place it over the nail to get the desired cat eye effect. My magnet has 2 different shapes. One is a rectangle and the other side is a circle. For this nail, I chose the rectangle to get a more straight line. And I angle it a little bit sideways first, but then I straighten it out because I want it to be more in the center of the nail. And here we have our beautiful effect. Now we cure in the lamp. After curing in the lamp, I decided I wanted to add a little bit more sparkle to this nail, so I went ahead and used the silver glitter polish, but I only applied it on the outer edges of the nail. If you're enjoying this video, leave a thumbs up to let me know. To me, this one turned out like a beautiful galaxy nail. Now we'll apply a second coat on the middle nail and the ring fingernail. For these 2 nails, I decided to use the round magnet. I place it over the nail and look at the beautiful effect that it creates. After curing in the lamp, I'm ready to stamp. I want to use this image from the HEMA Ugly Sweater stamping plate. I want to use this Maniology stamping polish called Midnight Madness. But as you will see when I pick it up and I place it over the nail, I realize it's a little bit too close to the blue on my nail, so it won't really pop enough. I decided to choose this one, which is called Gold Rush. I place it over the image, scrape off the excess, and pick it up with my stamper. Then I stamp it directly onto my nail. I use the same image on 2 nails. I found this beautiful snow globe image that I thought would be perfect for one of the nails. After I pick it up with my stamper, I use a piece of tape to remove the parts of the image that I'm not going to need. And look how pretty it turned out. From this beautiful stamping plate, also from HEMA, it's called Snowflake, I also found a really cute tree that I want to place on the other nail. After stamping it on my nail, I think it looks perfect. I do a little bit of cleanup and now it's time for the top coat. I really love using a matte top coat, but for this one I really wanted to see the sparkle, so I went with a glossy finish. And this is the end result. I love the way it turned out and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Remember to check the link in the description box of this video for the Madam Glam sales event. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!